G'day! In today's video I've got a fairly old Asus Rog, a GL552J, and I want to do a battery upgrade on it. Not battery, I want to do a RAM upgrade on it. I want to disconnect the battery first though. Like that. And with that done, I should be able to undo this cover, and then this bottom bit here should hopefully reveal some RAM to me. Otherwise I'll have to dig a bit deeper. I really don't want to have to dig that deep on an older machine. I take out this screw, okay, I'm on now. Go. And we've discovered 500 gig hard drive with one loose screw. We've discovered a 128 gig SATA SSD. And here we have, I believe, 8 gig of PC3L DDR3. Now, it's nice and easy to get in there. And here, you can see the cooler. Anyway, I'm going to dig through my pile of RAM and hopefully have something rather similar. What have I got? 8 gig. There we go. So I'll put these in now. And this way, so I'm going to line up this with the little notches that are here. I'll line up the notch, push down, click, click, in. And then I'll put the front of the cover back down first. Slide into the groove, push down, that's in. Screw here, screw up here, and a battery back in, and that is a RAM upgrade on a GL552J Asus ROG. Nice and simple. Granted, this is from 2015. Times have certainly changed.